Everything starts with an idea that takes shape in 3D and becomes real. But using 3D to communicate your products has never been easy. 3D lives inside complex software, sometimes managed by external experts, and often out of reach for most teams. Turning those files into something your clients and partners can actually explore and understand takes time, money, and a maze of disconnected tools. Synode changes that. It makes 3D accessible to everyone, transforming engineering data into interactive visuals for sales, training, support, and beyond. AI keeps every version in sync as your products evolve, so teams never rebuild from scratch. No code, no installs, no heavy software. Just open a browser, drop in your 3D file, and create, up to 10 times faster than traditional softwares. From design to sales, from factory to field, Synode becomes your 3D co-pilot, helping every team communicate clearly, create faster, and work smarter. All in one workspace, all in Synode.